Hi friends, welcome back to my channel in this holy month of Ramadan. These are blessing days for everyone. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Today I am going to show you simple iftar menu: bread samosa, egg patties and rice porridge. I had already posted rice porridge, but it's okay, I'll show you again with little different. For the rice porridge, add 1 cup rice, fenugreek seeds and water. Soak for 30 minutes. Then for the samosa, I took 200 gram beef, add some salt and water, cover and let it cook for 1 hour. Next I am going to make dough for the patties. Add 2 cup wheat flour, add some salt, add 1 egg and some oil. Mix it together and then add some water. Knead the dough until smooth. Cover and rest for few minutes. For the patty schema, I took 4 medium-sized potatoes. Peel the potatoes, then cut into pieces. Add the potatoes in the same vessel and bring to boil them together. Now let's check the potatoes. It's done. Take out all the potatoes. Then mash the potatoes. Beef also done. Take out and let it cool. Next I am going to make rice porridge. First wash the rice. Then adding into the vessel, add some water. Add green chilies, cardamom, cinnamon stick, garlic, chicken pieces, cumin seeds, add some salt, pepper powder, mix well and then add some beef broth to give extra taste. Cut the beef into small pieces and then grind them. Don't use grinder. If you use grinder, the taste will change. Next I am going to grind peppercorn, cumin seeds, chopped green chilies, cinnamon stick and cardamom. Grind them all. Stir until all the ingredients are mushy. Then I am adding noodles. This is optional. Add ginger pieces. I forgot to add earlier. Add 1 cup coconut milk. Mix well. This is the main ingredient in making rice porridge more tasty. Add some grated carrot and some curry leaves. So colorful and yummy. This is very special recipe for iftar. We call this rice kanji or non-book kanji. Delicious and super healthy food for fasting people. Now I am going to make beef keema for samosa. Add oil. When heat the oil, add some chopped curry leaves, sliced onion. Saute. Then add some salt. Then add 1 tablespoon chili flakes and add ground masala. Mix well together. Finally going to add main ingredient, ground beef. Then give a mix. Again heat the oil in the same pan. Add some chopped curry leaves, ground masala, mix well. Then add sliced onion. Saute the onion until soft. Then add some salt. Add 1 tablespoon chili flakes. Mix well. In the last, add mashed potato. Mix well together. This is breadcrumbs. I'm going to use breadcrumbs and beaten egg to coat the samosa. Then add 2 tablespoons wheat flour, add water to mix it, then make a thick paste. Here I am using bread slices instead of samosa belt. Cut the edges of bread pieces. Use a rolling pin to flatten each slice of bread. Use the scissor and cut the bread slice diagonally to make 2 triangles. Now fold and make a cone from the triangle shaped bread. Apply flour paste in the edges. Take 1 tablespoon keema and place in the bread cone. Again apply the flour paste and fold it. Pressing the edges to form a seal. Next step, dip in the beaten egg and then coat it with breadcrumbs. This is very tasty and easy to make. Heat the oil first. Drop one by one in the hot oil. Deep fry until golden brown and crispy. Next, using the rolling pin to flatten the patties dough. Take 1 tablespoon potato keema, place a tablespoon of keema in each patty circle. Then cut the egg and put on the keema. Fold it and press edges together. Using small ball to making a half circle, should be able to shape it. Now it's done. This is my wooden basket. I love wooden items. This is the best way to keep all the food safely while eating time. Heat the oil and fry each side until golden brown.
This is ballet, Mom.
Okay.
And I know how to do it ballet, Mom, because I'm a big girl now. I always told well than my family sister and with you and my family and mommy. Now I'm going to teach you how to do it.
Okay, do it.
See you next time.
Nice.
Thanks, Mom.
An iftar table is never complete without a delicious rice kanji. It was super easy to make and came out perfect. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Until then, take care. Bye.